Today is one of my rare giveaway days. This little bundle of fun needs a new home. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. I'm giving away this awesome HGLRC 3-inch Parrot 132 toothpick quad. Now, I reviewed this 4S version a few months ago, and it's basically an upgrade on their very popular Parrot 120, and this is ridiculously good fun. I'll leave a link to my review so you can check it out. Now, whoever wins this will get the quad ready test flown, complete with the props and FR Sky XM Plus receiver. So all you'll need is a Taranis or similar transmitter, some LiPo batteries, some goggles, and you'll be pretty much good to go. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, and you can leave as many comments as you like. You'll also need to make sure your channel subscriptions are public so I can verify that you're subscribed. And I'll be picking and announcing a random winner after about 7 days. So if you fancy winning this fantastic toothpick quad that's ready to bind and fly, get commenting. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found that useful, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if it's your first visit, then please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post new content. I'll see you next time.